This is your geography battle project. Your goal or task or the purpose is to answer this question right here. Is physical geography or human geography more important for people to understand? Context: using your learning from the choice boards, so the physical geography and human geography choice boards, and the one-pagers that you did at the end of those. Your task is to create a one-pager that convinces others why physical geography or human geography is the most important aspect of the field of geography to understand. The skill that we have been working on is synthesizing information from multiple sources to build knowledge. So this first row, we have, again, what that standard is. Our choice boards have been built around it. The goal is to show that I can synthesize information from multiple sources to develop new ideas. For your geography battle, this second row under here, it shows you specifically it focuses that goal and shows you what it'll be. So your goal should be able to say and show that I can synthesize information from 4 different sources about physical and or human geography in order to form a strong response. Being the response to your question, is physical geography or human geography more important for people to understand? To take this to the next level, in the last column over here, you would show that I can synthesize information from more than 4 different sources about physical and or human geography in order to form a convincing, strong, and original response. So you're really taking your response to the question and adding detail, adding explanations, and making it really strong. You have directions on slide 3. So it states again at the top that your task is to create a one-pager that convinces others why physical geography or human geography is the most important aspect of geography to understand. What you need to do is listed right here. There are 7 steps in total. Number 1, identify which aspect of geography you think is most important, physical geography or human geography. Number 2, provide definitions or short descriptions of physical geography or human geography. It should be I apologize. Number 3, compare and contrast physical and human geography. Number 4, gather information and research on your aspect of geography, so physical or human. You should use at least 4 sources, and your sources need to be reliable. We have practiced this, we know what it looks like. Reminder though that Google and Google searches are not a source. Number 5, synthesize or pull together your research and information into at least 3 strong points to support your response. So, in other words, these should support your answer. It should support why physical or human geography is the most important. Number 6, use visuals and images to support your response. Be intentional. They should support your information, whether it is providing data or it's a picture that relates to your information that gives us a visual. Our brains build context and provide stronger information with visuals. Number 7, list all of the sources you used in a separate document or on the back of your one-pager. You don't need to cite them, but you do need to list them. Slide 4 has helpful supports for you to use. So on the left side over here, all of this text is things from our choice board, So remind you to use your 2 one-pagers up here. These are all of the sources that were in the physical geography choice board. And then below, these are all of the sources that were in the human geography choice board. On the right, in the purple box, there is our example slideshow of infographic and one-pager examples. There is a specific physical geography example, so a specific one-pager on why physical geography is the most important. Right here, the sources are listed here. Underneath that, there is a specific example of why human geography is the most important. So set up the same way. I did try and change the colors, and obviously the information and the images are different. I will work on creating a template that you can use. So if you click here, there will be a template that you can open up and make a copy of in Google Slides. Let's add that right here. This is a link to Canva. That is what I made my examples on. This is a slide that tells you how to use Canva. So it gives you some hints on the left over here. Tells you the best way to download it so I can access it. And there's a video that walks through using Canva. And lastly, there is our visual representation slide. So it goes over maps, infographics, one-pagers, thematic maps, satellite images, things like that. That is what your geography battle project is.